Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just did a video on IVR. If you follow my channel, I've talked about quite a few REITs here on the channel. ORC is another favorite. So if you look in the description, I'll link those videos so you can watch those as well. A lot of people talk about REITs, and I kind of diversify into a couple different ones. And this is another one that's appreciated a little bit, plus has a decent dividend, and plus it's a really cheap one. So you can see this is New York Mortgage Trust, ticker NYMT. Here's a look at what they've done over the last year, up over 2.37%. It's kind of been a weird year for this one. Would have been a good time to bought in and sold. You could almost trade this one at times, and then it's just been coming down since November, end of October, like everything else. So the last 3 months it's down 12.39%. In the last month, down 0.68%. In the last week, it's down 0.81%. And here's a look at what it's doing today. I have 10 shares here at $1.99 cost basis. I haven't bought any more here just to keep my cost basis low, and so you can see the appreciation. I have some more of this one in retirement, but you can see my next dividend pending. So it's 10 cents per share, and I got 10 shares, so it's $1. Woohoo! That's free money. So and again, this is a REIT, so feel free to pause and go over that. This was founded in 2003. Not a whole lot of volume on this one, 601,000. The average is 4.71 million with a $1.43 billion market cap. 52-week low of 351 and a high of 494. Not the greatest of ratings on this one, currently at a 50% hold. And here's a look at their earnings. And next one is expected on February 23rd in the pre-market. And as you can see, here's some more dividend payments. You want to see when I bought mine. Looks like May 8th of 2020. Looks like I tried buying it a couple times. Wow, you can really see how it went down, so I'm glad that one didn't fall. 635, 611. So you can see it started coming down. 625. Now it got chopped during the pandemic, so right there, 625 in February, and then May it was just wow. $1.97. So, but I got 10 shares here. That's all that I have. Like I said, I have more in a retirement. Bing currently showing it as a hold. Before you invest, make sure to check out the New York Mortgage Trust Analyst, and this is from the 22nd. It's a little bit older information, but still relevant if you've never looked at NYMT before. So I'm just going to scroll through some of this information. We already went over some of that information. Next quarterly earnings report on February 22nd, 2022 through the 28th, with its forward dividend at 40 and a yield of 10.39. The company's investors could be anxious for NYMT stock to gain ahead of the earnings release. Estimates by analysts expect earnings per share of 11 cents with EPS growth. Year raised 45 cents for 2021 and 49 cents for the next year. Figures represent 150.60% and 8.90% growth in EPS for 2 years, respectively. Analysts tracking the company's growth have also given it a consensus growth in revenue estimated at $45.52 million, with a low of $34.25 million and a high of $72.21 million. The median projection represents growth squeezing down to 78.30 compared to sales growth for the corresponding quarter a year ago. There have been no upward, no downward revisions of the stock's earnings per share in the last 7 days, something that reflects the nature of the company's price movement in short term. On the other hand, looking at the outlook for NYMT stock, short-term indicators assign the stock an average of 50% sell. See what New York mortgage gaining to $4.50, time to buy. So they slipped around minus 0.02 points on Tuesday, while shares priced at $3.77 at the close of the session, down 0.53%. The company's report on December 13, 2021. New York Mortgage Trust declares a fourth quarter 2021 common stock dividend of 10 cents per share and preferred stock dividends. So if you want to get in on the dividend for the quarter ending on 12/31/2021, dividend will be payable on 1/25/22, and the common shares close of business on 1/27 of 2021. I'm just going to scroll through the rest of the information. And moving on. New York Mortgage Trust is the number one stock currently moving, and this is dated here today. Getting 2 days away from the new year here, right around the corner. A look at the daily price movement shows that the last close reads $3.79, with intraday deals fluctuated between $3.73 and $3.83. The company's 5-monthly beta was ticking 1.89, while the PE ratio is trailing at 12-month period read 7.47, taking into account the 52-week price action. We note that the stock hit a 52-week high of $4.93 and a 52-week low of $3.51. Company has a forward dividend ratio of 0.40, while the dividend yield is 10.61%. So some would say that's too high, but as you can see, they've kept paying it, and so we will see what happens with this one, and somehow got that in there twice. Over here on Reddit, 14 days ago, nothing relevant there to today. It's currently at 377 here on StockTwits, with a 52-week low of 351, high of 493, and a market cap of 1.43 billion. I only have 1,400 shares, but have been here for a bit and don't plan on leaving anytime soon. That's quite a few shares. Super cool stuff, exciting. 6,000. Oh, that's nice. $600, so that'd be about $2,400 a year, probably on a almost $20,000 investment. Be interesting to know if they have this one on drip, or if they keep accumulating shares, or what their plans are to do with that one. That would be interesting. And not much else there. Over here on MSN Money, currently showing this one as a hold. And tip ranks currently at 377, showing a moderate buy with a 32% upside to $5. So I've seen them do this. It's $5 across the board, so it's only one analyst, so take it what it's worth. But this one has appreciated, as you can see, since I bought it. So I mean, it's came down in the last year, but so has everything else. So this could get back to a 4 $5 stock, so definitely. But if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you want to share on this one. And if there's any other stocks or any other REITs out there that you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to do that as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribe in and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.